Let's go. Start the day with some street scrapping. Day 14, no smoking weed. What? We got a hot water heater. It's probably got a bunch of crap water in it. Oh, look at that. I'm back for the John Deere. Been waiting 1.5 years for this thing. Got a nice little pile here too. Let's get it. Last of it. In case you guys don't know, these John Deere riding mowers sell for big money. Last one I sold for $600. It didn't even run. Didn't even have a mower deck on it. Mower decks alone go for $100, $200. I bet some of the bigger ones go for way more. Wilton, we're back at Harbucks. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get those signs, but we're gonna try. Because I definitely screwed up by not grabbing those. This sucks, I can't grab it. It's buried under concrete now, and it's not worth it, I guess. I'm gonna grab some scrap though. I really should have grabbed this the other night. You guys ever come across any Starbucks signs, grab them. I knew I should have grabbed it. At least I got some scrap here. Not bad for a few minutes. Let's pull the old dog around. Load this up. Try to go quick. Grab this. Grab this. And this. Should have some, oh, that's some nice copper in there. And some scrap metal. Nice power cord right here. That's a big old one. What else we got? Alright, some kind of... I'm gonna use this as some window blinds. Not buying blinds, dude. Are you kidding? Let's grab that. A little Christmas tree. And a nice little wheelie cart. These things are everywhere lately. Well, I'll scrap at least. Also got this, just got this door. This will be good for like my tag sales. I think I'm spending $50 on a plastic table at Walmart. You're crazy. What do we have? Ooh, we got some Fago. We got a bunch of Fago. There's a bunch of Fago. Oh, those are monsters. Number 3. And some Fago. Coconut water. Score of the night. There's just like 12 pallets in here. In the shopping cart. What else we got? I think that's it. Nice little energy drink score. I haven't had these. I haven't tried those monsters. These Fagos are good. I don't know what's going on with all the nice clothes being thrown out here, but that's $10 on eBay. Look at all these fridges. I just gotta look at these real quick. Empty of Freon. Oh, sick. They already pulled all the Freon out. Alright, so I'll be coming back here tomorrow. Dude, what is this? Oh my god. Oh yeah. This is amazing. If I can grab these. They definitely ain't fitting in this old dog. I'm gonna need a trailer. Some little kids' table. 2 of them. This will definitely go. The classic orange and yellow. Obviously grab this one too. Definitely. That's a tag sale table if it doesn't sell. Let me show you guys how we ended the night. 2 of these little kid table or tag sale table. Power cord. Bring this inside. I got some Wilton toasting glasses. That toy's broken. Little Christmas tree, bunch of energy drinks, and a bunch of scrap metal. Not a very eventful night tonight. And that be it for tonight. You guys all rule. I know I say it every single time, but I have to remind you. Have a great night, every one of you. Get it, bro. Eat all you want.